Hello and welcome. Today on AI Run the Show, we're highlighting a groundbreaking advancement from Google DeepMind that could transform the future of health and biological research. Imagine an AI that not only predicts protein structures, but also designs entirely new proteins to revolutionize drug discovery, diagnostics, and agriculture. Meet AlphaProteo, an innovative AI system from Google DeepMind that is set to accelerate research across various fields in biology and healthcare. Today, we introduce AlphaProteo, Google DeepMind's first AI system for designing novel, high-strength protein binders to serve as building blocks for biological and health research. This technology has the potential to accelerate our understanding of biological processes and aid in the discovery of new drugs, the development of biosensors, and more. AlphaProteo can generate new protein binders for diverse target proteins, including VEGF, which is associated with cancer and complications from diabetes. This is the first time an AI tool has successfully designed a protein binder for VEGF, a significant achievement that traditional methods have struggled to accomplish. AlphaProteo marks a significant leap in AI-driven protein design. Unlike previous tools like AlphaFold, which provided insights into protein structures, AlphaProteo creates new proteins designed to manipulate these interactions for practical applications. Proteins are essential for nearly every biological process, acting like keys that fit into locks to regulate cellular activities. While AlphaFold helped us understand these interactions, AlphaProteo takes it further by enabling the creation of proteins that can specifically bind to target molecules, thus speeding up research in drug development, disease diagnosis, and even enhancing crop resistance to pests. One of AlphaProteo's standout features is its impressive performance. It achieves experimental success rates and binding affinities that are 300 to 300 times better than the best existing methods across 7 target proteins tested. This efficiency drastically reduces the time and effort traditionally required for protein binder design, which typically involves multiple rounds of laborious lab work and extensive experimental testing. Designing protein binders that tightly bind to specific targets has always been challenging. Traditional methods are time-consuming and require extensive lab work to optimize binding affinity. AlphaProteo changes this by leveraging vast datasets from the Protein Data Bank, PDB, and over 100 million predicted structures from AlphaFold. This extensive training allows AlphaProteo to understand the complex ways proteins interact and generate candidate proteins that effectively bind to specified target locations. AlphaProteo has been tested on a diverse range of target proteins, including viral proteins like BHRF1 and the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein receptor binding domain SC2-RBD, as well as proteins involving cancer, inflammation, and autoimmune diseases such as IL-7R-alpha, PD-L1, TRK, IL-17A, and VEGF. In these tests, AlphaProteo showed exceptional performance. For instance, 88% of its candidate molecules successfully bound to the viral protein BHRF1 in experiments conducted in the Google DeepMind wet lab. Additionally, for the TRK target, AlphaProteo's binders outperformed those developed through multiple rounds of traditional optimization. To ensure the reliability of AlphaProteo's designs, Google DeepMind collaborated with leading researchers at the Francis Crick Institute, including Peter Cherpanov, Katie Bentley, and David L.V. Bauer. Their experiments confirmed that AlphaProteo's protein binders for SC2-RBD and VEGF not only bound as predicted, but also performed useful biological functions. For example, some SC2-RBD binders were effective in preventing SARS-CoV-2 and its variants from infecting cells. While AlphaProteo has shown remarkable success, it also faces challenges. It was unable to design effective binders for TNF-alpha, a protein linked to autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. This highlights the complexity of protein design and underscores the ongoing efforts to enhance AlphaProteo's capabilities. Google DeepMind is committed to the responsible development of protein design technology. Protein design has vast potential, from understanding disease mechanisms to promoting environmental sustainability. To address biosecurity concerns, Google DeepMind collaborates with external experts and participates in initiatives like the NTI's AI Bio Forum to ensure best practices and responsible innovation. Moving forward, Google DeepMind aims to work closely with the scientific community to apply AlphaProteo to challenging biological problems and expand its capabilities. They are also exploring drug design applications at isomorphic labs, paving the way for future advancements in AI and biology. That's all for today's episode. AlphaProteo by Google DeepMind is set to revolutionize biological research and healthcare, driving breakthroughs in medicine, environmental science, and beyond. Thank you for joining us on AI Run the Show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest innovations in AI and technology. We look forward to bringing you more exciting stories and advancements in the world of AI.